Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy in English. Today's our focus article is basically about Article 43 of Indian Constitution. Why Article 43 is important? As you might have seen in 80s and 90s, there were many protests and there were many strikes by trade unions that their owners, their employers, their businessmen, their capitalists are not providing them enough wages. So it has already been incorporated in our constitution under Article 43 that it shall be the duty of state, that state should ensure that every working person should get living wages. Now, why it is called as that they should get living wages? What is the basis of it? Or why it is crucial? What are the bases behind it? Let's try to understand. Before moving forward, I want to tell you three important points regarding Article 43. First, Article 43 talks about living wages. So here we are studying three wages. One is minimum wages, second is fair wages, third is living wages. So what is meaning of minimum wages? Minimum wages basically demands that it shall be duty of state to provide salary or wages which will provide basic roti, kapda or makan to every individual. So a wage or a salary or an emolument which can provide or which will fulfill the need of an individual to get roti, kapda or makan is called as minimum wages. We have a very important act regarding this which is called as Minimum Wages Act. Second is about living wages. Now, what is meaning of living wages? So, living wages is about not only roti, kapda, makan, but living wages contains an amount which will provide roti, kapda, makan. Along with roti, kapda, makan, it will also provide the funds which are required for education, for insurance, for leisure, for other recreational activity which are necessary for an individual to live a healthy, developing life. So it shall be duty of state to ensure that every working person, irrespective of men and women, should get living wages. And midway between minimum wages and living wages is fair wages or fair and remunerative wages that are fair. So basically, lowest strike is minimum wages, upper strike is living wage, and in between them there is a fair wage. Let's see what our constitution says, a very interesting concept. See, it says that the state, right, it talks about, so it shall be the responsibility of state. It says that the state shall endeavor, it means to make effort, to try. Meaning of endeavor is to make effort, to try. So the state shall endeavor to secure by suitable legislation, that is by making law. It should go for a law or by establishing an economic organization or in any other way. So it has been kept open that by any other way or any other means that state feels it necessary to all workers, whether agricultural, industrial, otherwise, work a living wage, conditions of work ensuring decent standard of life and full enjoyment of leisure and social and cultural opportunities, and in particular the state shall endeavor to promote cottage industries. It also talks about cottage industries on an individual or cooperative basis in rural areas. So basically Article 43 talks about two things. First, state should make an arrangement to provide living wages by any way, through an economic organization, by making a law or any other way that state feels it necessary. Secondly, Article 43 talks about provision or establishment of a cottage industry. See, why I am taking this series, the main purpose of taking this series is to give you theme of that particular article. And while understanding that theme, you have to make your concept clear regarding what is the concept, right? That's all. Thank you.